Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Today we're making Christmas crackers. I love making Christmas crackers. I make them every year. And this year we have a lovely die that makes them for us, and you can make them either two ways, and I'll show you. This way here, which gives you this lovely rounded cracker, you can see. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So you've got that lovely one there, and this is the Lights to Glow designer series paper. Or you can make it into a little square one, which is smaller, called, and here you've got 4 sides, 'Tis the Season, or rectangular I should say. And this is the Boughs of Holly designer series paper, this one here. So you've got two types. Now this is the die that makes it all. And it's one lovely big die here, you can see, and it cuts the whole thing out beautifully. And then you've got all these extra little pieces, the banner, the star, the hearts, the little tags, all sorts to really decorate to your heart's content. So I cut it out. This is how it cuts out. This is just one pass through the die cutting machine. This again is the Lights to Glow designer series paper, and you could use either side, but I think I'm going to use this side here. And it gives you all the score lines already cut. So you can use your bone folder, but I don't even do that. I just go along and just pinch nicely on these score lines, because this is designer series paper. You just need to be a little bit more delicate with it than if it was cardstock, but it cuts everything out gorgeously. So there we go. Okay, and then you're just going to do here, and I tend to do this one both ways just to get that score line really well working well. Okay, so that's that done. Now if you want to make a box, I mean this rectangle, then you just need to fold this round so that it covers 2 sides of your card thing. So if you look at, say, if you fold it in, here's one, fold it in so you make a rectangle, and then you fold this over, and there you have the square. If you want it to be 5-sided, you join it so the last 2 pieces are folded over. If you want a square, it's the last 2 pieces that are folded over. Okay, and we're going to make a more rounded one today because I think it's cute. So I'm going to put a bit of Tombow. Tombow works well for this because it gives you that wriggle room you need. It will come out the bottle, that is. Okay, and you're just going to fold over and match these last 2 pieces that they fold over, and everything matches. Just take your time to line everything up so it matches really nicely. And that's why Tombow is invaluable for something like this. Okay, so now we are just going to pinch these in slightly where we folded it twice, just like that. Don't be too harsh with it, you don't want to break anything. Okay, so just do a gentle touch. You don't have to be super gentle, but don't go like that, okay? I know I sound mental, don't worry, I'm used to it. And I'm going to use a little bit here of my real red ribbon just to tie a bow. Well, a tie a knot more like, if I don't get myself totally caught up. I'm just trying to remember where the seam is so that I, on the opposite side to the seam. There we go. I'm not going to do anything more fancy than a knot. You obviously can do whatever you wish. I'm going to just do this. And you can put any little sweeties you want in here. I'm not going to put any sweeties in yet because I film a long time before Christmas, so it's actually only in my land. It's not even the middle of November when I'm filming this, so I don't want to put sweeties in just yet. So I like them to still be fresh. So, but you can put like little love hearts in here. They go well. Things like that. So, I'm just going to trim that up a bit. And there we have. What a cute little cracker. I have to say, look at that, I'm nearly finishing my red ribbon, and I know it's sad because I really love it, but at the same time it's nice to be able to know you're actually using your product up. So that's our cracker. So let's do a little bit of decoration for it. It looks so cute. Okay, set these all aside and bring in some basic white paper. Now, let's see what stamp set we want to use. Let's use this one here again, and I'm going to use this one. It says "'Tis the Season," because this is really easy to cut out. You don't even need the dies for this. So let's find a block. See, will it fit on this one? Yeah, let's not be stingy. Let's go for the bigger block. I think it's going to be safer. Okay. And what colour shall we use? Let's go for real red. I've been in a real red mood. I think it's going to look nice matching the ribbon. So let's ink this up nicely, and then just down, hold, and up. Yay! 'Tis the season. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to get some foam strips ready for when I need them, and then we're going to cut this out just by freehand. You could use a die, you could use a trimmer, you can do whatever you want, but I'm just following the lines here. There we go. I think I've got glue on my scissors. Surprise, surprise. Oh dear. I always get glue on my scissors. Doesn't seem to matter what I do. How I try not to. So I'm going to use some of our foam strips here. This is mostly one of the ways I get glue, is because I use it to cut everything. And these are just the little foam strips that you get, and this is just perfect for sentiments like this. It works much better, works better than dimensionals, and it's the same thing as the dimensionals. It's just easier for small sentiments. So there says "'Tis the Season." Okay, and then I have here some of the seasonal sequins, and I'm going to use a couple of these just to decorate. I'm going to move this sentiment if I can and let it try and get it a bit more central. I didn't have it very central. That's better. And there we go, there's a little sequins there. And there are our crackers. So really simple, really easy. The dies do all the hard work for you. You can see on this one here, Magic is in the Air, that I've actually used this little die here, and it has the lovely stitching as well. So really just really nice. So do check those out. So Do stay tuned for the next project, because I'm going to show you how to make a little box to store your crackers in, or to make it as a gift. So do check that out. That'll be in 2 days' time. So as I said, if you want more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., all that's on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. If you liked the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please do subscribe. It really helps me to make my videos more visible on YouTube. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.